This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Amy Bush. Like new. Willow Heights Subdivision Open floor plan with 2 master closets and garden tub. 0.3 cm granite counters, tankless hot water heater, hand scraped wood floors in living and master bedroom. Special lighting package and ceiling fans in all bedrooms, all window treatments and refrigerator to stay. Backyard is totally fenced and a bonus storage shed is staying. Best of all, the house is across the street from the community pool for easy access. What a rare find! Come and see. For more information, review the details below.